Johnny B here. I got another project to do today. I'm going to put together this gas caddy here. I had to get a new one because the one I got, let me show you this thing. It's one of these older gas caddies, and for some reason they put the hose way at the bottom, so you can't get the damn gas out of the thing. So I bought this other one here this garage is a mess. It's actually got a pump on it, you know, and I'd like to be outside doing this, but I got to tell you something, man. The mosquitoes are so freaking bad out there, I can't take it. We paid money to this mosquito squad, and they haven't showed up yet. So I'm inside this piece of shit garage. I mean, this place is a mess. I got barely any room to work here. Look at this. I got to clean out this garage, I'm telling you, man. So anyways, I'm going to try to put this thing together. I want to show you how easy it is. Because as you know, you saw me put together that grill last year, and I'm pretty darn good at putting this stuff together, and I want to share that with you. So first thing we got to do is open up the box. I got a cutter here. Cut all this tape, which I don't know why they put so much goddamn tape on it. It says be careful, because there could be directions underneath this, but I don't use directions because that's for pussies. What the hell? It's already a mess anyways. Wow. There's a lot more stuff in here than I thought for just being a tank. Wheels. What you want to do is lay everything out so that you know you have everything. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to lay it out on the floor so that I can make sure. Ouch. Mosquitoes are bad in here too. I don't know what that is, but we'll open it up later. Ow! Mosquitoes are bad in here. I don't know why they need so much fucking cardboard. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Hi, Lauren. Lauren's here. Maybe I could call her for help. I'm trying to put together a gas caddy here, so can you do me a favor?
What's that? When
you go in and do that, the vacuum sealer thing, clean that tray out.
Okay.
Stinks.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't know why they need so much fucking cardboard. Styrofoam. Lauren's good, man. Thank God I got her. Directions. I don't have my glasses. I could call her out to read these if I need them, but that's for pussies. Ouch! Don't need that no more. Ow! God damn it, mosquitoes. Why are there mosquitoes in here? Just stay calm. There you have it. Alright, so I got everything kind of laid out nicely so I could tell where everything is. It's not too much of a mess. Gas caddy. Ow! Fucking mosquitoes. Anyways, back to work.
Step 1. Take the caddy and the wheel axle. Insert the wheel axle in the bottom until the holes align for the screws. Take the washer.
Stop! You're going too fast. A little slower.
Take the caddy.
From the beginning.
Step 1, take the caddy. Got the caddy and the wheel axle.
Where's the wheel axle? What does a wheel axle look like? Is there a picture? Alright, so Lauren threw her hands up in the air, got a little fed up with me because I don't need her help anyways. That's why. So on with step 1. Something about these wheel axle things. Step 1. Oh my god, I need my glasses. Why is the letter so small? Step 1. Take the caddy and the wheel axle. Insert the wheel axle to the bottom till the holes align for the screws. Thanks for your help, Lauren. Fucking mosquitoes! Says they use a Phillips screwdriver, but sometimes you gotta use what you think is gonna work better. Where the fuck are those goddamn nuts and washers? Oh, goddamn fucking mosquitoes! Attaboy. You can do this. The wheels on. Moving right along. See? And one thing I like about these is they're hard. Not like these piece of shits over here on this other one. Look at this. Tires go flat. Put a little weight into them and they go flat. That's my advice. Get one with hard tires. Put things on. Take them off. Put them on. Take them off. Why don't the goddamn directions say that in the first place? Just had me put them on, then you gotta take them off again. Step 3. Tilt the caddy on its side before. Put them on or what? Take them off. Got you, you bastard! There! Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh my god! Come on! Ow!
Think you can finish this now? We got you this far.
I'm not stupid. Ouch! And the pump goes on. Nice and calmly. And there you have it, guys. All put together, perfect. Just goes to show you that keeping calm always pays off in the end. And you don't need these, because it's for pussies. Now I gotta clean this garage.